Today for Smriti Irani is going to be a culmination of over a month of labor, toil in Amethi. It came very late in the day, Smriti, your nomination, but you said you'd hit the ground running, and you have. Do you think that Narendra Modi's rally today is the final push that you require?
We all know that Narendra Modi is going to be the next Prime Minister of India, and before he takes office, we all appeal to him to come and see the state of Amethi himself, so that the people of Amethi who expect development and good governance under his leadership can hear from him directly what his vision for India is.
The comparisons are going to be made. They're going to be inevitable. So Priyanka and Rahul Gandhi yesterday, and Narendra Modi and you today. Do you think that you're going to come out trumps?
Comparison is always made between equals, and when it comes to a comparative of Mr. Narendra Modi, I haven't found an equal of him in terms of the Indian political scenario. So I think it would be unfair to compare him with people who are yet to reach that level of efficiency in terms of administration and governance.
Priyanka Gandhi says, Smriti who?
Well, I've never concentrated on Mrs. Vadra, particularly because she's not the political candidate from the Congress party. Mrs. Vadra just take out time from her schedule every day to begin with a personal attack on me. I very humbly respond to a personal attack done on me, though I don't initiate it, because the name I have has been earned through a lot of hard work. It is not a name that I've got passed on from generations, which I use for my own political gain or personal gain.
Earlier it used to be about how the margin of Rahul Gandhi is going to be cut down. Last time his closest opponent didn't even make it to the 1 lakh figure. Do you think it's still about the margin, or is that over now?
I think that when my candidature was announced, at that time people said that this is the Gandhi bastion. Nobody ever imagined that from every village, from every corner of the city, from every home, you would have Modi Zindabad slogans. Nobody expected that people of Amethi would have coined a slogan called Amethi hai taiyar, ab ki baar Modi sarkar. So what you see today is something that people said was impossible in Amethi, yet we have made it possible in a mere 25 days of campaign. And like my leadership has said, that history will be written on the 16th of May.
So you are going to be the Raj Narayan of Amethi?
I will not disrespect any senior political Indian figure who have struggled against the Congress hierarchy and become the voice of the people and been legendary leaders themselves. I just hope and pray that God blesses me enough to be just the good old Smriti Irani.
Final question, what's the margin then?
I am not an astrologer, nor am I a political pundit. The only thing I am is an ordinary Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party. I would like to say here to Times Now that irrespective of my hard work, there have been people who have made personal sacrifices to be a part of this campaign. We have a block here in Nai Panchayat called Bhadar. The gentleman leading that block had his own son-in-law died just 3 days ago because of lack of health infrastructure here. He tried to ring the hospital, but the ambulance had no driver and the hospital had no doctor, just a sweeper was available, and hence a 26-year-old man died. However, after the funeral, our leader went on and they completely immersed themselves in the campaign work. So this election is not about Smriti Irani. This election is actually about the people of Amethi who want a better tomorrow for themselves and their families.